Hi, I'm Miikka from the Swarmia product team, and here's how we help you run developer surveys. Swarmia gives plenty of transparency into your software development lifecycle, but there are some things you can't automatically collect from systems. Yet understanding your developer experience is vital for improving engagement and removing productivity obstacles. Let's say long pull request reviews are slowing down your cycle times. Running a survey can help you understand what's causing the problem. For example, you might identify that the team feels they are working in too big increments or that the automated tests are not doing their job. You can create your first survey with Swarmia in a couple of minutes thanks to our built-in collection of questions tailored for engineers. We developed them in collaboration with experts in psychometrics to ensure you collect signal instead of noise. To define the target audience, simply choose from the teams already synced to Swarmia. Before pushing this live, you can of course see a preview of what the survey looks like to the participants. Now we are ready to go. Responding to a survey is a breeze. As a respondent, you rate how much you agree with each statement and have the option to elaborate on your choices by writing comments. You can choose whether to comment with your name or hide it. If there's a question you can't answer, you have the option to skip it. While the survey is running, it's easy to see the participation by the team. After the survey closes, you get access to the results. A heat map shows an overview of how each team is doing across all the topics. You can expand the topics to see the individual questions behind each one. If you want to take a closer look, you can click on any of the cells. Here you see the full picture with the rating distribution and comments linked to the question. This view supports many types of analysis. For example, you can choose all topics and themes and sort by most comments to see the questions that spark the most discussion. We think that the best way to take action based on the survey is to do it both locally in teams and across your engineering organization. The first step is to share access to the results with everyone. You can review the report, prepare your communications, and then grant access to the rest of the organization by clicking Publish. To get started, navigate to the Surveys tab in Swarmia. We are actively developing the product and have some neat things coming up, such as custom questions, comparisons, and automatic reminders. I'm eager to hear your feedback.